Last week, we had our second Mustang Musing assembly. Let's get a recap.
We had our second Mustang Musings Assembly of the year last Thursday. Thank you to all the teachers who kicked off our assembly with those fabulous lip-sync performances. During the assembly, Mr. Bell shared that we come from different backgrounds and cultures, and that we even have over 30 different languages spoken by our amazing students. However, even with those differences, when we come together in this building, we are one. We are Westlake. And as such, we all have a responsibility to be kind, understanding, and respectful to one another. Mrs. Handler then explained that one of the best ways to show respect for each other is by getting to class on time. This lets your peers and teachers know that you value their time and are making an effort not to waste important instructional minutes. Additionally, wearing your badge correctly around your neck helps with the process of tracking attendance for the very same reasons. We also discussed the idea of showing up and bringing your A game every day to school. This demonstrates a level of respect that you have for yourself and for your future. Of course, we may have bad days, but following our motto, try, fail, try again until you succeed, can lead us to overcome those obstacles. When we consistently focus on performing at our personal best, we demonstrate a growth mindset. Mr. Bell explained that we will be rewarding students for performing at a personal best and showing growth on reading fluency during this school year. The reward for different levels of growth will be Westlake socks and Westlake sweatshirts. We finished the assembly with some tips for success, and we hope you understand that we want you here. Your punctuality matters, your presence matters, your engagement matters, and your success and growth matter. We are Westlake.